Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 3. The Black Cottage. Snow had already dusted the crooked path when I first saw it. Small, black, stubborn against the white, as if it refused to bow to the wind. I stepped inside. Boots clunking, my breath puffing clouds like tiny ghosts. The fire spit sparks that danced on wooden beams, and I felt a quiet settle, heavier than a school day's last bell. The furniture was old, smelling of wood polish and stories too shy to speak. I wandered each room, imagining every family that had laughed or argued here, leaving whispers in the floorboards. Outside, the icicles jingled like clockwork, measuring time I didn't own. I cooked a small meal, humming songs that weren't mine but somehow fit. When night pressed hard, I tucked into a lumpy bed, curtains flapping, listening to the wind whisper secrets only the black cottage could keep. Sleep came slow, thick as syrup, and I felt part of a world older than my own. Now listen to the poem. A black cottage stands against the snow, silent secrets in its shadow grow. The fire flickers, warmth confined. Whispers of families linger behind. Icicles chime, the night drifts near, old stories murmur that only I hear. Every floorboard holds a past, time flows slow and memories last. A meal is shared with echoes faint, songs of old brush the mind like paint. Sleep creeps in, heavy and kind, mingling the present with what's left behind. The black cottage keeps its own, a quiet place where hearts feel known.